Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Artists Christopher Martin and his singer D Major treated music lovers to an at-home live online performance yesterday, which signaled the official launch to Jamaica's COVID-19 fundraising efforts.
Hungry till I can barely walk. Don't watch the look on my face.
Me and my baby, we have our problems. Oh, we always work them.
Streamed on the VP Records YouTube channel, the performance also saw Jamaica's Minister of Culture and Entertainment, Olivia Babsy-Grange, announcing a fundraising concert dubbed Telethon Jamaica Together We Stand, scheduled for this Sunday, April 12.
This is to raise $10 million to purchase personal protective gears and equipment for doctors or nurses or healthcare workers and our security forces, to give them what they need to fight this dreaded virus.
Some of Jamaica's leading artists will perform at the 6-hour live event. Telethon Jamaica Together We Stand was inspired by reggae artist Richie Spice's song Together We Stand. Now, DSC donates COVID-19 care packages. Down Sound Entertainment, in association with dancehall artist Styla G, launched the Care Package Quarantine Relief Initiative on Saturday, donating care packages to over 200 families and individuals in Clarendon, Spanish Town, and Kingston. Down Sound Entertainment not only gave thanks to corporate sponsors and farmers, but also thanked entertainers for the success of the initiative. DSC noted that the donation marked the first giveaway for the month of April. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.